Good evening. I'm David Gerard and welcome to Pivot to AI. So, today, OpenAI, the greatest publicity seekers in the entire current AI bubble, want to convert from being a charity that has a for-profit subsidiary that does all the AI stuff into just an ordinary commercial company. So that subsidiary is the part that's been getting the billions of dollars from investors and setting those billions of dollars on fire. The investors would like a payday at last. But Elon Musk, who's one of OpenAI's original founders, is suing OpenAI to stop this conversion from happening. This is because Musk still seems to believe that the artificial superintelligence singularity is imminent. And OpenAI was founded to stop it, not to cash in on it. So last Tuesday, Musk failed to get an injunction to block OpenAI from restructuring as a for-profit. Judge Yvonne Gonzalez-Rogers found that none of Musk's claims were good enough to block the move right now. But that does not mean the judge is happy with OpenAI. You can't just turn a charity into a company. A non-profit can usually only change its purpose when the original purpose is actually obsolete. And that's not going to be the case for OpenAI as long as the singularity hasn't happened yet. So, Judge Rogers ruled that Musk lacks standing to sue OpenAI on this issue, but she said that, quote, "If a trust was created, the balance of equities would certainly tip towards plaintiffs, Musk et al., in the context of a breach," unquote. So Delaware and California are the states where OpenAI's entities are incorporated. And they've both been looking into OpenAI already, because they don't like this plan already. Judge Rogers said, quote, "The court takes plaintiff's point that to the extent a transfer to a for-profit structure risks any of these endeavours, the charitable aims, the public would benefit from an injunction," unquote. So that looks a lot like Judge Rogers is loudly inviting Delaware and California to step in, because they are obviously going to have standing. So the judge says that this would all benefit from an expedited trial just on this one claim. The rest of the trial will probably have to wait till 2027 or 28. But she wants a trial by autumn 2025 at the latest on whether OpenAI can convert into a for-profit, just on that one question. So the investors may be very unhappy, and OpenAI will be even unhappier because they may have to give back a whole pile of money that they've already set on fire. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI once more. If you like Pivot, please tell at least one other person. Word of mouth is the best publicity for heartwarming, heartfelt, handmade production efforts like this one. We don't even use ChatGPT. If you want to contribute to the noble cause of making Sam Altman cry, there's Patreon and Coffee links in the show notes. Thank you all, and bye for now.